in Simastea, and we did agree that I was to come here sometime, but you have come ahead of me. Umekuwa mbio, lazima nitafuata nitimise ile agano ambayo tulifanya na watoto. And Your Excellency, the time we had a meeting with the Form 4s, that time we did agree that they were going to improve their academic performance. And in a very special way, Your Excellency, I want to thank the principal of this school and the chairman, because for the last 3 years, there has been a tremendous improvement in academics in this particular school, because way back we had a mean score of 7.0, and last year the mean score of this particular school was 8.7. And when I met the Form 4s last month at Simastea, they gave me an assurance that this year it will be 9. But again, as I came discussing with the teachers and the Form 4s this morning, Your Excellency, before you came, they said they are encouraged and properly motivated with your coming, and now it will not be 9, it will have to be more than 10. Si wanafunzi mulisema hivyo? Si mulisema hivyo? Your Excellency, apart from this being a symbol of holistic academic excellency, they have also done very well in extracurricular activities. And one of the games that is in the school that we are encouraging is basketball. Muko na basketball. And Your Excellency, your administration has done very well, because last year we got 5 million for this particular school, and from Murang'a County as a whole, we were able to give 137 million to the different schools in Murang'a, and the chair budget knows the percentage of that. So when you go to the percentage, we actually did very well.